Bill Galang. You know, best pill, I say to you, Arnel Castillo, do not call me abnormal. Why you call me abnormal? You know, best pill, you are a criminal. You are wanted by NBI, PNP Anti-Cybercrime Group, and DILG. Oh, what is the purpose you call me abnormal, ha? Eh, you're the one who pushed that kid in SM Grand Central. You're the one who stole the cell phone of in Marikina of Calvin Cuevas. That his cell phone. His cell phone is Realme. Oh, you stole it. You know that best pill. You know best pill, Arnel Guerrero Castillo. You're making a fake news. You're not graduated in Harvard. Because Gio Malana was in US, he's studying in Harvard. Oh, you best pill, you're not studying in Harvard. You are fake news. What the hell is wrong with you, best pill? Arnel Guerrero Castillo. Who will next to push that in the stairs in Grand Central, in SM Grand Central in Caloocan? Who will steal a cell phone to others in Marikina and Batangas? Who's the one who did this to Vico Soto? Who's the one who made the cyber libel against Autism Society the Philippines? Even you call me you call me abnormal. You're the one who makes cyber libel to the sales lady. It was you, best pill. Arnel Guerrero Castillo, you know best pill. Anyway, I will not gonna tolerate your behavior. Oh, look. Me, I grow my mustache, best pill. I always not to be a stupid or criminality. I should put you in my enemy list, best pill. Arnel Guerrero Castillo. In my enemy list, like I said, I should put you in the enemy list together with Gina Sejo. Oh, Jean Asejo, Ivy Montalayola, Rodelio Daguman, Anthony Solares, that I already moved on from them. Even Ivy Montalayola. Oh, even Anya Santos Dumaloog and Jeffrey Beltran. You don't have mercy, best pill? Arnel Guerrero Castillo? Huh? However, why you call me abnormal? For me, I will not gonna fight with you in social media. I say to you, you are most wanted in the NBI and PNP. Oh, you best pill, Arnel Guerrero Castillo. That will be deserve your consequence. You are a criminal. You and Jean Asejo are criminal. I say to you, best pill and Jean Asejo. However, why you call me abnormal, best pill? Like I said to you in Filipino, inaano ka ba? Inaano ka ba kita, best pill? I say to you, nothing. I never make enemies. I am telling the truth, you are most wanted. However, why you call me a criminal? Why you call me abnormal? You are a criminal, best pill. Because Calvin Cuevas had already filed the cases against you, best pill. Arnel Guerrero Castillo, even Vico Soto, even that a mother of the kid who has filed the cases against you, best pill. You push You push that little kid in the stairs in SM Grand Central. However, you are a holdupper, Bespil. I will not tolerate your behavior.